Hi guys, and welcome on this new video where I'm gonna present you 5 add-ons I made on my AM8 printer. Those 5 add-ons will also work on A8 printer or A6 printer or whatever printer you have, and that's what's cool. So the first thing I made and I create by myself is the LED on the front of the bed to indicate you when the bed is heating up. Just show you that in a minute. Right now, let's turn on the printer. There we go. So let's begin by preheating the printer. Prepare and preheat PLA. There you go, the printer is preheating 60 degrees out here, and as you can see, the red light is coming out. That's a really easy one. All you need to do is to connect your LED light bar to the power of the bed. I'm gonna show you that right now. As you can see out here, there is the cable for the LED bar out here, the red and black one, which are connected directly connected to the plus and minus of the heating bed, and that's how it's working. I really like this one because that's adds something cool to your printer and of course indicate you when your printer is ready and heat it up. So I call it the Dark Vador mode because of this light. I really like it, I don't know why, but... So the next add-on I made on my 3D printer are those LCD indicator to show you how much voltage your printer is running at. So I think that's cool because it indicates you when there is a problem or not. So that's really easy to do because you just have to connect the LCD panel to one of your plus and minus of your power supply out here. I made this add-on on both of my printer, as you can see here. Turn it on and there you go, 12.6 volts. That one is really easy and really cool. That cost me around €2, even less. I put you the link of the LCD display in the video description below. I personally designed my LCD support to just place it out here, but that's really easy. You just measure your LCD size and just design one. That's really easy on, or you can get many on Thingiverse or whatsoever. That's what get us to the third upgrade I made on my 3D printer, which is of course the LED around the printer. So that's a really cool one, an easy one also, and what's great is that you can turn it on or off whenever you want and put it in whatever color you want out here. I let it in white generally because that's the best one, and for that I made this little thing that holds the radio, the wireless thing out here. That's great. I also had a switch on the side of the printer to turn on or off the LEDs, as you can see out here. The little switch out here can turn on or off my LED light just like that. So as you can see, my bed ended up heating and the LED is turned off now. So that means that you're ready to print. If you want to do the same for the hot end, you just have to plug one plus and minus to the end of your motherboard out here and just plug an LED wherever you want, and you have an indicator for when it's heat up and when it's heated and heating up. And the final add-on I made on this printer, which is really useful and really easy to do, and I made many videos about this. As you can see, there is a camera out here on the back of the printer. That means that I can monitor my 3D printer wherever I want with my phone or with my computer. That because of the Raspberry Pi, which is hiding up right here. I made a video about it, which you will find in the description below. So those are the 5 upgrades I recommend you to do on your 3D printer. Those are cheap and easy to do. The front LED will cost you around €1 for the LEDs and the cable, or you can just get the cable from your 3D printer. The LCD panel will cost you $2. The LEDs out here will cost you around $5 depending on where you get it, and the Raspberry Pi will cost you $30 depending on where you get it. For the camera, I got it on an old computer which I didn't pay for. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like button, and comment down below if you have any more ideas or whatsoever, ideas of video, ideas of upgrades on your 3D printer. Just share us everything down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.